Hi, my name is Jorgen Eicher, and I'm the Technical Sales Engineer for R&D Engineering and FEPeeler business units. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the FEPeeler brand and what we've got laid out here. So what we have here is the standard models of the manual skivers. Starting at the top, the largest size being the FEPeeler Macro. Next, we have the standard model, just the FEPeeler. And as we go down in OD, we're starting to see the FEPeeler Mini, Micro, and lastly, the FEPeeler Pico. The FEPeeler Pico, being the smallest size, is meant for microcatheters. So we also have a variation of this design where we remove the handle assembly and have these two pinch points so we can focalize the removal of the heat shrink for smaller catheters. So you can really get down there and see what you're doing to not have a handle assembly. Moving to some of the options, we have the handheld assembly. And how this works is you place the FEPeeler within its channel. This handheld assembly would get mounted to the L bracket, so it can be ergonomically friendly if an operator were to work at the table edge or the table corner. And all the operator has to do is move this lever back to open up the working channel, place the part in, release this lever, and push and pull the product so it feeds in through the inlet hole and exits out the back. Another accessory that we have for the FEPeeler is the benchtop accessory. And the benchtop accessory is great if you don't have the ability to bolt this L bracket into your table surface. All you're utilizing here is this rigid aluminum block with a linear rail and bearings that lift up and down, where your manual peeler is set at a 45-degree angle. And this option is great to skive products that don't have a large variation in OD. So to skive this product, you can start anywhere along its length rather than having to wedge a product in between the heat shrink. So I'll show this process now. You load the product into the FEPeeler. And once you see the tail end, you can actually pull from behind the benchtop accessory to finish your skiving process. After this is complete, you fully remove your heat shrink. And this is completely non-invasive. So at no point is anything contacting your finished product. It's just the FEP we're targeting to remove. So that's our manual skiving options. Once you have pretty much your design frozen, you're looking to increase throughput for higher volumes, we recommend upgrading to the automated platform. This is our Auto-Skiver. And what you see here is the larger chassis, the FEPeeler Auto-Skiver XL. And the drop tooling for this that fits is the 150 thou to 375. The standard chassis, different from what you see here, will allow you to use two different sets of tooling, both the Auto-Skiver Mini and the Auto-Skiver Micro. So what I want to do today is to show you how to use the Auto-Skiver and what that looks like once you finish auto-skiving your products. So starting with the first one, I have the standard chassis here, and I already have a product set up with the Auto-Skiver Mini drop tooling. So this product's set up right in the middle, variation between the sizes that we see here. And it's pretty simple. All you do is hit the power switch here. And it doesn't matter what side that you advance the product in, as long as heat shrink is fully covering both ends of the product, no exposed segments. Feed it through. The medical grade rollers pull it all the way through and automatically skives it. And all you have to do is find the skived portion here. And remove the FEP heat shrink. Next, we move to the XL chassis, slightly larger. So what I have here is the standard variation of this drop tooling. Same thing applies, hit the power switch, feed the product through. Doesn't matter what side because I have heat shrink protruding on both ends. Automatically feeds through the Auto-Skiver, very easy. Pull the heat shrink right off. This is non-invasive, so at no point is the blade making contact with the product, just the heat shrink. It's easy as that. That's the Auto-Skiver.